The OnePlus 15 has quickly become a hot topic, but not entirely for the right reasons. Despite being a flagship device packed with impressive hardware, reports of overheating have started to surface, raising concerns among potential buyers. While the phone is undeniably powerful, it seems it struggles to maintain peak performance under prolonged high-intensity use. At the heart of the OnePlus 15 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which is one of the most powerful processors currently available. In Geekbench 6 testing, the device scored 3,493 in single-core tests, just below the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, while its multi-core score of 1060/92 placed it above top competitors like the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Clearly, the OnePlus 15 has performance to spare, but as with any high-end chipset, intense usage generates heat. Smartphone manufacturers typically include sophisticated cooling solutions to manage this heat. The OnePlus 15 comes with a large vapor chamber and the new Glacier supercritical aerogel designed to keep the device cooler for longer periods. On paper, this should prevent the phone from getting uncomfortably hot, yet multiple users have reported otherwise. Online discussions and social media posts suggest that some units of the OnePlus 15 overheat during demanding tasks, raising questions about the effectiveness of the cooling system. One notable example comes from ex-user Hardik, who shared his experience during the 3D Mark Extreme Stress test, which pushes the GPU to its limits to check stability and thermal throttling. During this test, his device reportedly became extremely hot. Other reports claim temperatures reaching up to 52.7 degrees C under heavy load. While such high temperatures are concerning, it's important to consider what heavy load means in each situation, as it could vary depending on apps, background processes, and settings. Despite these reports, not everyone experiences overheating. Testing of retail units of the OnePlus 15 did not reveal any thermal throttling or excessive heating. This suggests that the problem may be isolated to certain units or potentially linked to software tuning. A future software update could address these inconsistencies and improve temperature management, which is not uncommon with new flagship releases. Overheating issues are not unprecedented for OnePlus devices, but the company has a strong history of quickly resolving software-related problems. The OnePlus 13 series, for instance, was praised for its large 6,000 mAh battery and consistent performance despite being a high-capacity device. With the OnePlus 15 being one of the first phones to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip, some initial hiccups in performance and heat management are understandable. The concern for users is whether these overheating instances will affect the device's long-term performance. Extended exposure to high temperatures can reduce battery life and, in rare cases, affect other components. However, most users are likely to experience normal performance under standard daily use, such as browsing, social media, and streaming, without reaching extreme temperatures. For those considering the OnePlus 15, it's worth weighing the device's powerful performance against the possibility of overheating under extreme workloads. While the reports are notable, the overall consensus indicates that many units operate without major issues. Keeping the device updated with the latest software from OnePlus is likely the best way to ensure optimal thermal performance and prevent isolated overheating events. The OnePlus 15 remains an impressive flagship with top-tier specifications and a design built to handle demanding tasks. Its performance scores place it among the very best smartphones available today. Nevertheless, the overheating reports cannot be ignored, and potential buyers should be aware that pushing the device to its limits for extended periods could result in high temperatures. Community feedback suggests a mixed experience. In a recent poll, approximately 26% of respondents claimed that the phone becomes unbearably hot during prolonged use, while another 26% reported that their device stays cool even under heavy load. Nearly half of users have not tested the phone intensively yet. This indicates that experiences vary, and it may come down to specific units or usage patterns. OnePlus is expected to address these concerns with software updates that refine hardware performance and optimize thermal management. This approach has worked in the past, and it is likely to resolve any isolated issues for the OnePlus 15. Until then, users should monitor temperature during intensive tasks and avoid extreme workloads for prolonged periods. In summary, the OnePlus 15 is a high-performance flagship with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and advanced cooling technologies. While some users report overheating during intensive tasks, others find the device perfectly stable. The reported issues are likely isolated or software-related, and updates from OnePlus are expected to improve performance and heat management. For anyone looking for a cutting-edge device with top-of-the-line specifications, the OnePlus 15 remains a strong contender, but awareness of potential heating issues is advised for prolonged heavy use. The OnePlus 15 proves that high power can come with challenges, but but with proper updates and user care, it has the potential to deliver a smooth and powerful experience that meets the expectations of a flagship device.